Hey everyone, welcome back to Enoch's Tech Hub. If this is your first time here, I make simple and straight to the point tutorials on tech that anyone can follow. Today's video is one of the most requested topics: how to download and install Google Play Store on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, updated for 2025. Now, I know you've probably seen videos from 2020 or 2021, but let's be honest, a lot has changed since then. Some of those methods don't even work anymore. That's why in this video, I'm not just showing you one way, but 3 different methods. So no matter what kind of computer you have, at least one will work. And if you stick around till the end, I'll also share common errors and fixes that people usually run into. That way, you don't waste time getting stuck. So grab your PC and let's get started. Before we dive into the actual installation, let's quickly talk about why people even want the Play Store on their PC. Think about it. Or maybe you're into productivity apps. For example, I personally like using Google Docs, WhatsApp, and Telegram directly from my PC. Instead of picking up my phone every 2 minutes, I just open them in an emulator and it feels seamless. And here's a big one. Some apps are only available on Android, not on Windows. With the Play Store installed, you basically unlock a second device inside your computer. So yeah, whether it's for gaming, social media, productivity, or just curiosity, this is something a lot of people want. And the best part, once you set it up, it works just like your phone. Same Google account, same apps, same data. Easy. All right, first method, and probably the most popular one, is using BlueStacks emulator. Step 1, go to BlueStacks.com. Make sure you're downloading it from the official website. Don't trust random links. They might contain viruses. Step 2, click the big download button and install it. The file is around 500 megabytes, so depending on your internet speed, it may take a few minutes. Step 3, once it installs, open it. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. This is important because without logging in, you won't get access to the Play Store. Now here's the cool part. As soon as you log in, the Play Store icon is right there on the home screen. You don't need to do anything extra. It's built in. Just click it, search for an app, and boom, you're running Android apps on your PC.
Martinez,
Also,
Saka,
gamers, you
runs!
can mount your keyboard
Oh, that is
just like
beyond special! A worldie and a half!
mobile's fire button to my spacebar. Trust me, once you tweak it, it feels super smooth. Now, if BlueStacks doesn't work well for you, don't worry. The second method is using LDPlayer, which is another emulator but much lighter. Step 1, go to ldplayer.net. Again, make sure it's the official website. Step 2, download and install it. It's smaller than BlueStacks, so it usually downloads faster. Step 3, open it up, sign in with your Google account, and guess what? Same thing. The Play Store is already there. Now, why would you choose LDPlayer over BlueStacks? First, it runs smoother on older PCs. If your laptop struggles with BlueStacks, try LDPlayer. I guarantee you'll see the difference. Second, it's very popular with gamers because it uses fewer resources. For example, if you're playing PUBG Mobile or Genshin Impact, LDPlayer often gives you higher FPS. Third, the interface is clean and simple, so if you're not super techy, you won't get confused. And here's a bonus. LDPlayer also supports multiple instances. So if you ever want to run 2 Play Stores at once, maybe one for gaming and another for productivity, you can do it. Pretty cool, right? Okay, the third method is a little more advanced, but it's perfect for Windows 11 users. It's called Windows Subsystem for Android, or WSA. Basically, Microsoft now lets you run Android apps directly inside Windows. No emulator needed. The catch is, by default, you only get access to the Amazon App Store, which doesn't have many apps. but with some tweaks, you can install the full Google Play Store. Here's the quick version of how it works. Install the Amazon App Store from the Microsoft Store. This automatically installs WSA on your PC. From there, you can sideload the Play Store using a modified package. Now, I won't go super deep into this part because it involves some coding and command line stuff, but don't worry, I'll leave a trusted step-by-step guide in the description. The benefit of this method is that it feels native. Apps run more smoothly than with emulators, and you don't need extra software. If you're a Windows 11 user and you're comfortable with a little tinkering, this is hands down the best option. All right, let's quickly cover some common problems people face when installing Playstore on PC. If apps don't download, clear the cache in the Playstore settings. If BlueStacks crashes, update your graphics drivers and make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. If LDPlayer won't open, uninstall it completely, then reinstall the latest version. For WSA, make sure you're running the latest Windows 11 update, or it won't work. Most of the time, just updating your system and enabling virtualization fixes 90% of issues. Now I want to hear from you. Which method worked best? Was it BlueStacks, LDPlayer, or WSA? Drop a comment below because your experience might help someone else watching this. Coming up next, I'll show you how to install TikTok, Instagram, and WhatsApp on Windows directly from the Play Store. So make sure you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.